Hi guys, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Today we're going to show you how to install turf.
First things first, you want to make sure your soil is prepared correctly. For more information on this, visit our blog on our website or go to our YouTube channel. Now before you start actually laying the turf, you should be putting down a starter fertilizer on top of the soil. Lawn Launcher is perfect for that, as it will give the lawn the right nutrients to start and establish quickly. Now it's as simple as chucking it out on top of the dirt and laying the turf straight over the top. It's always best to start off a straight edge at the back of your job and work your way back to your access. This way, you're not walking over freshly laid turf. Now when laying up against hard surfaces, such as a deck or a path or some paving, it's best to use full rolls and not cut-offs. This is because hard surfaces heat up quicker, meaning small bits of turf are vulnerable to drying out. As you're going along, it's a good idea to stagger the joints of the turf, similar to what you'd do if you were laying bricks. What this does is it looks better as all the lines of the edge of the turf aren't in a row. It helps the turf to establish quicker, and it's perfect on sloped areas as it stops the turf from eroding. After you finish laying your turf, it's time to get the water out. A sprinkler or hand watering will do the trick. Just make sure it gets about an hour-long soaking straight after you've laid it. After that, every morning and afternoon for about 2 to 3 weeks, then it'll be ready for its first cut.
For lawn care advice for your new lawn, subscribe to the Lawn Solutions Australia YouTube channel or check out the lawn care blog on our website. Thanks for tuning in to Lawn Solutions Australia, and I hope to catch you next time.